Welcome to 8-Minute Athlete, where all you need is these bands and your body weight to dominate. I'm gonna show you the drill so you can master the skill, then we're gonna pay the bills, you know. Put the work in. Let's get to it. Quick warm up. Take your band, open up your figure 8 loop, slap that around your feet, get it back there deep so it almost hits your ankles. Slap these around your hands. We got 2-8 Jacks. I jump out, I control it in. Never let the hands clap, never let the feet clap. Ready? Let's get it. 1 minute right here. Nice and controlled. Strong on the outside, control coming back inside. Make sure you keep tension in the band right here. Come on. Come on. That's one heck of a warm-up, right? That fires off everything. Now let's get to the workout. Drill number 1, arm bikes. It's gonna have your shoulders burning, but you gotta use your coordination in your legs too. Again, keep tension in the band. Go ahead and put your thumb around there so you can grip the band. And we're just gonna move this like we're pedaling a bike, but we're actually gonna squat down just a little bit. Right here, keep that away. Move this and bring the legs in too. This is not about speed, this is about control. Trying to push the band as far away from the body as possible. Every 10 reps, or every so often, reverse the motion. Coordinate your steps to work with your arms as well. Good. Take a breather. Next drill. We're gonna focus on the legs, toe taps. We're gonna be strong with the leg that's not moving. We're gonna really dig that into the ground, but you want your heel slightly off the ground, just enough to slide a credit card under there. We don't wanna be up here. And we definitely don't want our heel on the ground. All right, just a little bit off the ground so it's engaged. Slight hip hinge, slight knee bend. On the opposite side, I'm gonna push my hands away and I'm gonna take a quick step in and out. Let's be intentional on where we put our foot. I'm tapping the same spot. I'm coming out quick, tapping that spot there. You ready? We're gonna go 10 times on one side, switch right over to the other side. Here we go. That's work. All right, now we're gonna go around the clock, okay? We're gonna start down here with a good base. Feet gonna be nice and stationary. Full tension in the band. And from here, I'm never gonna drop this below my belly button. I gotta keep it at least belly button high. And I'm gonna rock it around the clock. From 6 o'clock, back to the top. 6 o'clock, back to the top. 6 o'clock, back to the top. Come on. Keep your hands open and wide apart. None of this. That's lazy work. Open them up. Come on. Stay with me now. This ain't about speed, it's about control. Come on. Come on. I'm saying come on to myself. Come on, 3 more. Come on, 2 more. Come on, 1 more time, there and back. Keep those arms straight. Shoulders gotta be burning. Woo! 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 Almost free. Almost earned it all. Come on. Stay with me now. I'm gonna step back like I'm taking the sword out, and then I'm gonna push it out. As I come across, and I rotate to the other side. Here we go. Fingertips together. We don't want to clench our fists, because then we'll start using our wrists and our fingers to leverage some of the work that our core would be doing. Right here, I'm gonna get full core activation. Big step back. Bring it to the pocket. Shoot it out like a rocket. Bam. Stay with me now. Stay with me now. Come on. Make sure you got that good space every time you step back. Woo! Hey, great work. Only takes 8 minutes a day to become a better athlete, man. Working on this basic stuff. But like always, we gotta cool down after putting some excellent work like that. So let's just stretch it out, okay? We're just gonna step and reach. Keep your hands open wide. Twist side to side. Keep your feet open as wide as you want. You can lift your heel up as you twist to the other side. Feel that stretch all the way around your lower back. Shoulders need this work right here to get really, really loose. Come on. Let's get 3 more in here. Control, nice and slow. Be the biggest shoe you can be. Nice and long. Last one.